Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Nest, quick guide step by step clearly. Begin by unboxing your Nest device. Ensure you have all the components, the device, power adapter, and installation guide. Find a suitable location for your Nest device. It should be near a power outlet and within reach of your Wi-Fi network. Download the Google Home app on your smartphone. Open the app and sign in with your Google account. Tap on the plus icon to add a new device. Select Setup Device from the options provided. Choose New Devices to start the setup process. The app will search for nearby devices. Once it detects your Nest, tap on it to connect. Follow the on-screen prompts to connect your device to Wi-Fi. Enter your Wi-Fi password when prompted. Once connected, the app will check for updates. After the update, you may need to configure your preferences. Select the rooms where you will use the Nest device. Customize settings such as temperature preferences or security features. Once setup is complete, your Nest device will be ready to use. Test the functionality to ensure everything works smoothly. You can now start enjoying your Nest device's features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.